The polluted locations in the United States called Superfund sites. These sites requiring a long term of cleanup for hazardous material contamination under the Comprehensive Environmental Response Compensation and Liability Act, CERCLA. CERCLA authorized the United States Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, to create a list of locations and placed on the NPL, the National Priorities List, which is the list of national priority sites that pose a threat because of releasing hazardous substances throughout the United States. The U.S. Smelter and Lead Refinery is one of the national priority sites, is located in East Chicago, Lake County, Indiana, listed on NPL in April 2009. The primary contaminants at the site are lead and arsenic. The refinery has been operating as a primary and secondary smelting facility since 1906. Wastes that produced during smelting operations are calcium sulfate sludge, blast furnace flue dust, rubber, and plastic battery casings. The soil sampling of the area indicates that the soil contamination has extended as far as 1/2 mile from the site. In addition of soil contamination, the surface water contaminated with lead, other metal, and waste oil. The remediation started with taking sample of soil and groundwater. Workers dig up and removed contaminated soil about 2 feet deep and then put the clean soil, instead including 6 inches of topsoil. The contaminated soil then taken to the licensed landfill for disposal. The sites will then be monitored for additional hazards. On September 30th, 2020, the EPA officially deleted 671 cleanup properties at the U.S. smelter and lead sites from the national priorities list, and confirmed that these properties meet the cleanup requirements that required by 2012 record of decision. The remaining properties in zones 2 and 3 will stay on national priorities list until soil cleanup have been completed and confirmed. The EPA continued to checking possible groundwater contamination in the area. Properties in Zone 1 will also remain on the national priorities list until they are remediated.